Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. The XRP chart is still in this correction, not unexpected. We have so far avoided to form another low, but we also have not broken above resistance. Remember in the last video, we looked at this resistance area and I explained to you we're just testing this key pivot there between $3.25 and $3.26, and really only a break above it suggests that a local low has formed. So you see how important these levels are, because the price could not break above 325, got rejected exactly there, but without another low. So, you know, the idea was that technically this could still be wave 4 in the yellow scenario with maybe one more low to come. I still cannot rule that out because it takes a break above that 50% retracement to kind of rule out the idea that we get one more low in this direct move to the upside that started on Monday. Sorry, this direct move to the downside, which can be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, and I could say maybe this was just a wave 4, and we get another low in wave 5. So that's unfortunately the situation we are in here. Without a break above that pivot, that remains a potential. But then ideally the next low should be the last one. It's, for example, also possible that this fourth wave simply unfolds as a triangle pattern. Then we could move a little bit sideways before we get that last low like this. Okay, but any break above $3.25 would be our confirmation that a low of sorts has been established. Then it would be this. There's no way of saying which one it is. I mean, the move down looks technically and visually complete, I have to say. And actually, I prefer that a low of sorts is in place, which means that this orange A wave has bottomed as part of a broader ABC structure, or that the wave 4 is in. Okay, but the main question is now, do we actually have a low? And that's my preference, yes. But then I have no evidence that we are already in a direct breakout. So I think a broader wave 4 is very, very likely. I would even slightly prefer it. So what do we need to watch out for then? So I think it's quite simple, yeah? We don't want to overanalyze behaviors in a correction. We don't want to overthink this. It's actually quite simple. We have the $2.75 level as key support. That's the support level that keeps the overall uptrend intact. And I'm talking about the uptrend that we cover every few days on our channel here. Yeah. If we go to the larger time frame, you see that. So the idea that this here could be an internal fourth wave with further upside to come. And again, this wave count in yellow remains very, very plausible as long as we are holding above $2.75. So we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have the wave 3. That's still unfolding in this scenario with one more high to come. So, and then a wave 4 and a wave 5. Okay. Now, any break below $2.75 will make this less likely and will shift the focus towards a scenario in which, yeah, we're failing. Okay, we need another attempt. We might test the April or the June lows again in the blue scenario on the larger time frame. Okay, so that this is just a B wave top. Possible. It's exactly the spot where the bears could start to take the lead after a fake breakout to the upside, yeah. But from a structural point of view, I would need a break below $2.75, followed by a break below the red line at $2.65 to confirm that further. The $2.65 level is the swing high that formed on the 13th or 12th of May. Okay, so that means the situation is actually quite clear. The levels of support are quite clear. The market can, of course, grind a little bit sideways. And, of course, it's possible that this low is in now and that this was the entire correction. I just don't have the evidence for it. I would need to be able to rule out that this is a broader wave 4 first. And I would need a micro 5-wave move up for that. We don't have that. So you see a 3-wave move up from here, how that would look like. If we get 5, the low is likely in. Then we'll track another 1-2 setup, and then we can focus on higher. But for now, I would like to keep the door open for a broader correction. And I'll keep you updated about that development. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X profile, X channel. I'll link the channel name and link in the comment section and description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.